Hi, welcome. I'm George Pierce. This video is about my weekly giveaway, and each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and it is a gift. It's 100% free, and I've been actually doing some type of a giveaway for, I'd say, well over 10 years. And this one's a little bit different. This is the best giveaway ever. There is a catch. There's one thing that is different, and that is that I'm going to be asking for your email, and I have no way around that, but bear with me. You're going to see this is well worth it. I'm still in shock about this giveaway, and you're going to see why in just a moment. If you're a new or aspiring affiliate marketing, or even if you're an experienced affiliate marketer, this week's giveaway is for you. As far as a new affiliate marketer, this is exactly what you've been looking for. This is exactly what you need. It is a complete done-for-you affiliate marketing system, and it includes the emails. It includes income streams. It includes 6 income streams. It includes full-blown training. It has an income potential that is staggering. You're just not going to believe this. I'm talking about an income potential of over $1,000 a day, and this is documented. I'm going to share all this with you in just a moment. Before we do, I want to share a little story about the dancer and the toilet. I think you're going to love this. And finally, things are happening for Valerie. Valerie is a dancer, but she's been the black sheep in her family for ever since she can remember. At least in her mind, she was the black sheep. Now, her family was always supportive, always loving. She always felt like she was an underachiever compared to her brothers and her sisters. When it comes to brothers and sisters, she had 6 sisters and 2 brothers. That's 9 kids and 2 adults altogether. That's a pretty big family. Now, feeling that you're the low man or the low woman on a totem pole is bad enough, but when you're at the bottom of 8 other siblings, that's not a nice feeling. As I mentioned, Valerie is a dancer, and she's been dancing ever since she can remember, and she was a little girl. Dancing has always been what she wanted. That's always been what she's loved, but dancing has not been paying very well. To make her economic situation even worse, every extra dollar that she could spare went to improving her dancing. I know she was some kind of tutoring, some kind of school, some kind of training, some kind of class. Well, Valerie's a ballerina, and she's gone from what's called the core, which is like the group, to soloist. And now she is what's called a principal, and that's like the main dancer. She's like the ballerina star. And she's the principal in a production of The Nutcracker, and it's playing in New York City. And she is just about to be interviewed on Good Morning America. And the interview begins, and there's a little bit of small talk about the play and how Valerie's excited and honored to be in the play and to be one of the stars. And then the interviewer asks, how did you get started as a dancer, Valerie? What motivated you to become a dancer? And of course, this interview was spontaneous. It was not rehearsed. So Valerie had no idea what the questions were going to be, and she just blurted out, the toilet. Well, the answer didn't seem to make a lot of sense to the interviewer, so the interviewer repeated Valerie's answer back to her in a questioning tone. The toilet? Valerie explained that when she was little, she was the youngest in a family of 11, and then she kind of rhythmically squirmed in her chair. She explained that since there was only one bathroom, she danced every morning waiting for her turn on the toilet. Well, let's get back to my giveaway. Now, my giveaway is called RPM, which is short for Rapid Profit Machine. It's all free. It's 100% free. And you're not only going to get the system, it gets even better. You can install this with one click. Don't need a lot of technical expertise. The giveaway includes the website, so you're going to get a free website. And the website is, I want to talk to you about that website in just a moment, because that's pretty spectacular. You're also going to get free killer squeeze pages. You're going to get a free, and I mean a free autoresponder. You're going to get 31 follow-up emails and 6 income streams. I spent several hours checking this out, not just setting it up. I set it up in a heartbeat, but I wanted to make sure there was no catch. I could not find a catch. It's not a temporary thing. It's not a part-time thing. In fact, it looks like this is good for almost 7,978 years. I wanted to share that with you, and I wanted you to see that the email is already set up. There's no coding. There's nothing that you have to do except install it. Your affiliate links are already there for you. The other thing I want to share with you is that the income is not only like $1,000 a day, but it's what's called residual income. It's the kind of income that you're going to receive month after month after month. So this is sincerely the very best kind of income that you could possibly ask for. The value of RPM itself, the value of Rapid Profit Machine alone, is at least $997. I put it at about $1,497 or more. That's just the RPM itself. And then when you add in the fact that you're going to get a free autoresponder, a free autoresponder is going to run you at least $20 per month. And this autoresponder, by the way, is from Builderall, and this website is from Builderall. And if you're not familiar with Builderall, Builderall is about as good as it gets. The autoresponder is on a par with ActiveCampaign. That is worth at least $50 a month. The website is worth at least, because the website's so responsive, that's worth at least $10 a month. But because it's free, do not underestimate its value. To access this for free, to have your own website, your own autoresponder, and Rapid Profit Machine. And the link to this is https://Cutley, cutt.ly/RPM. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you have, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. Hit that like button. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, for goodness sake, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're not going to miss out on these videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.